So instead of being on the wrong side of history, John realizes that the opposition to his faith gives him more reason to stay faithful. And instead of dropping his faith in exile, John worships and he sees Jesus Christ. I love this. And I was in the Spirit on the Lord's day. That's essentially what that means. I was in communion with the Spirit of God. It was a day of worship for him. Maybe it was actually their normal day of worship. Maybe it was Resurrection Sunday morning. But he says, look, I was in the Spirit on the day that I set aside to worship my Lord. And this is what he sees. Absolutely nothing can separate you from Jesus Christ. Nothing can. Friends, our perspective to whatever life throws at the children of God needs to become one of, there is something for me to learn here. I need to know Jesus more. Instead of wallowing in frustration, instead of growing lax in our faith, whatever life throws at us, we should be able to say, I found myself in the Spirit on the Lord's day. Even in exile, John sees Christ in all of his glory.